Hello, subscribers, followers, likers, or returning clients. Welcome sa isang August Pick a Pile reading. So, pipili tayo from group number 1, group number 2, or group number 3 for our general August reading. And again, pick what resonates only. Some messages for maybe for you, some messages for others. Kung di pa kayo nakapag-subscribe or follow sa page, appreciate ko po if you would do so. If you would like to book a reading, just message me sa Facebook or mag-order kayo sa website. Live na tayo. So, yan. Let's go. Hello, group number 1. If ito ang pile na pinili nyo, this message is for you. Take what resonates. Some messages may be for you. Some messages for others. Oracle cards. Read natin upright. Begin now. Take your first step. While new beginnings are in store for you. Staying focused. Hold the course. Okay. A lot of you are starting new projects, new ventures, or maybe new relationships. Business owners can see an opportunity to mingle and form a partnership with a business partner. Single watchers naman may find new suitors or a new potential partner. You're stepping into a relationship or a fling. Those in your career, maaaring kakagraduate nyo lang. Tapos, nagbe-baby steps na kayo into corporate life. Or you're entering the workforce. Some of you may be studying. Or entering a new course of study. Although the universe wants to tell you na kailangan nyo mag-focus. Kumaga wag kayong ma-distract. For example, nasa new fling na kayo, tapos may bago na kumukuha ng attention nyo. Wag nyo na siya pansinin. Mag-focus na lang kayo sa current person ninyo. O kaya dun sa business partnerships. May isang business partner na lumapit sa'yo, tapos may isa pa na kumukuha ng attention mo. Mag-focus ka muna sa nauna. Okay? Focus muna kayo sa nauna. Kasi kapag in-entertain nyo yung others na darating, maring mawala yung unang pumunta sa inyo or lumapit sa inyo. So, sayang naman, di ba? 10 of Cups. Ayan. Yan ang mangyari kapag nasayang ninyo. It will lead to despair. It will lead to sadness. 4 of Cups. Okay. So, align dyan sa energy ng reading natin. Kasi, this card tells you na you are too busy thinking about other possibilities that you forget to notice what's in front of you. Yun nga, kaya dapat makontento kayo sa kung anong meron sa inyo ngayon. And be mindful sa inyong surroundings. Be mindful doon sa person or offer na lumalapit sa'yo. Mag-focus lang kayo dun. Huwag kayong mag-isip ng what ifs or other possibilities. Kasi you will lose it if you don't set your eyes on it. 8 of Wands. The Moon. 5 of Swords. Okay. So, regarding dun sa first option nyo, hindi lang kasi kayo ang anong tawag doon? Ang interested doon sa offer or person na ito. May competitor pa. So, you have to act fast. Don't delay things. Don't be too slow. Mag-focus lang kayo doon. Like sa relationship, itong guy na ito is interested sa inyo. Guy number 1 is giving you attention. Then there's guy number 2 binigyan nyo rin ng attention, hinahati nyo yung focus nyo sa kanilang dalawa. Kay guy number 1 at guy number 2. So, maring mag-shift ang focus nyo kay guy number 2 na hindi nyo na mapapansin si guy number 1. Hindi nyo mapapansin na maaagaw pala siya. May someone na mag-aagaw sa kanya. O kaya sa business partnerships, may competitor business kayo na interested din sa gustong makipag-partner sa inyo. You will lose that partner if you don't give them priority. Or like, may gustong mag-employ sa inyo or mag-hire sa inyo na company. Pero nagdadalawang isip ka pa. Kasi may isa pang offer mamaya kapag gusto niya nang kunin yung offer na iyon, hindi na pala siya available kasi may nakuha na silang ibang employee. So, that's what it means. You have to savor the first opportunity that comes to you. Kasi hindi lang kayo ang nilalapitan nito. There are other people who are vying for that offer or for that person. Okay. Some of you, mag-ingat kayo sa family. I see family disputes due to misunderstandings. O kaya may family member kayo na mahilig maglamang. For example, if this could be a sibling na dinadaya kayo or ina-undermine niya yung efforts mo. Kasi gusto niya siya yung pinupuri, siya yung mas mataas. O kaya may tito kayo na gusto magbenta ng bahay, pero may patong na malaki. Instead na ibigay niya sa inyo ng presyong pampamilya, pinapatungan pa niya. So, ingat kayo. Follow your intuition and stay guarded. This August, huwag kayo basta-basta magtiwala sa friends or sa family because enemies are watching you Ito rin ang sinasabi ng card na ito. Enemies are watching you, mapa-online, mapa-real life, watch what you say. Don't share your plans kasi maaring isabotage ito. Mag-focus na lang kayo sa plans ninyo. Huwag nyo munang i-share or ikalat yung mga plano nyo kasi baka mausog at hindi na matuloy. Okay, so that's it. I hope na this message will help you and only take what resonates. Subscribe sa channel and like the page. Bye. Hello, group number 2. Kung group 2 ang pinili mo, this reading is for you. Again, take what resonates. Some messages may be for you. Some messages may be for others. Unahin natin ang oracle cards. Please subscribe sa channel and like the page. Would really appreciate it. Rainbow blessings. Wow, blessings are showering your life. Ako, I claim it. Comment nyo, I claim it to claim this blessing. View from above, get the big picture. Wow, okay. Ang daming paparating sa inyo na blessings ngayon. 7 of Pentacles. 2 of Swords. Wow. Okay. Some of you have been working so hard for the last few months or years. Maaring you were working on a small business, nagge-generate kayo ng, you were trying to generate passive income sa isang business, or you've been working hard sa inyong trabaho, you've been making efforts towards a person that you're interested in. May mga inasikaso kayo na matagal na. And I see na darating na ang blessings na ito. So, congrats. Makukuha nyo ng hard-earned rewards ninyo this August. Matagal nyo na itong pinagplano. I see. Matagal nyo nang pinagplano. You guys think big, you plan big, and you plan for the future. And yun, marireward na kayo. I see a house. Okay. Some of you, maaring matagal nyo nang pinag-iipunan ang isang house, ang isang car, renovations, matatapos na ito, makakamit nyo na ito. May gustong bumili ng car o yung dream car nila, makukuha na nila. Some of you are also planning for abroad o kaya may visa kayong in-applyan years ago. Ang tagal-tagal na. Mukhang ngayon nyo na makukuha ang good news pagdating sa visas ninyo. Although, sinasabi ng cards na huwag kayo tumigil sa hard work nyo, i-continue nyo pa rin. Be consistent. Kasi, what if malapit na kayo sa finish line tapos bigla kayong nag-give up, edi sayang lang din. Kaya, continue nyo lang ang efforts ninyo. May iba sa inyo na nagdadalawang isip na itigil ang kanilang efforts o kaya ini-influence sila ng ibang tao na itigil na ang kanilang efforts. So, sabi ng cards na huwag kayong tumigil. Keep being consistent. Do what you enjoy. And stay focused doon sa goals ninyo. Kasi for your future din naman yan eh. Migrations shows promise. Wait. Other cards. The Chariot. Wow, lots of travel coming to you this month. Maaring local or international. Either ways, matutuloy ito. And determined kayo na matuloy ang travel na ito. Mga business owners magkakaroon ng momentum sa kanilang negosyo. Tutuloy-tuloy ito. Kaya savor in your success at sulitin nyo habang magandang energy. Like, be consistent doon sa inyong mga ginagawa or sa marketing efforts. May iba sa inyo na nagdadalawang isip or gustong mag-shift sa ibang option. For example, gusto nyong mag-abroad sa Australia, pero sa sobrang tagal ng visa, gusto nyo mag-US or mag-Canada na lang. So, huwag. Iwasan nyo yun. Iwasan nyo yung nagpapalito sa inyong mindset. Mag-focus lang kayo sa nasimula nyo na. The Hierophant. The Hierophant. You guys need guidance o may kailangan kayong lapitan para i-counsel kayo o tulungan kayo sa mga choices ninyo or tulungan kayo sa mga nilalakad yung requirements. For those at work o nasa career sector, maaring mag-lead ito into a promotion. Pero, kailangan nyo pang mag-learn ng skills or may mga responsibilities pa kayong hindi gamay. Kailangan nyo lapitan yung mga mas nakakatanda sa trabaho para maging gamay nyo na yung mga responsibilities doon kasi malaking change daw ito para sa inyo. Hindi nyo agad-agad makukuha yung mga assignments na pinapagawa nila. Ten of Wands. Yes, you have been working too hard and pagod na kayo. You are burning out. Sa sobrang tagal na ng efforts ninyo. Kaya, magpahinga rin kayo from time to time. Wag naman yung super duper hard work kasi tao lang naman tayo, kailangan natin na magpahinga. Maglaan din kayo ng oras to unwind or to travel, kahit magliwaliw lang. Mag-ingat din kayo sa back pain. Ingat sa back pain, sakit sa legs or per circulation sa legs. Yung mga laging nakatayo, kailangan umupo from time to time. Yung mga laging nakaupo, kailangan i-stretch ang legs or ilakad-lakad din para mag-circulate, or else it will lead into leg pain. So that's it, group number 2. I hope na this message has been helpful to you, and again, take what resonates. Bye. Hello, group number 3. If ito ang cards na pinili nyo, this reading is for you. Again, take what resonates. Some messages may be for you, some messages may be for others. Would appreciate if you would subscribe sa channel, like the page. Kung gusto nyo mag-reading or magpa-reading, you can message me sa Facebook or mag-reach out sa website namin, stellarwitchery.com. Unknown territory. You're exactly where you need to be. Okay, kayo ay nasa bagong lugar o bagong sitwasyon na unfamiliar sa inyo. Some of you may be abroad. Nasa bagong country kayo, bago lahat, bagong culture, bagong environment, bago ang mga faces na nakikita nyo araw-araw. And you may be questioning kung tama ba ang decision nyo. This card wants to reassure you that you are where you need to be. Although unknown itong territory na ito, unknown ang lugar na ito, eventually magagamay mo rin yan. You just have to explore, gain knowledge, make connections. O kaya for those in career, nasa bagong industry kayo, or you're changing industries and zero knowledge kayo dun sa mga responsibilities, mga skills, or mga software na kailangan matutunan. Have faith in yourself and have the drive to explore and to learn. Kasi eventually magagamay nyo rin yan. For those in a relationship, maaaring nasa isang relationship kayo na unique para sa inyo. Usually, ang mga dinedate nyo is mga bata pa, and now, you're dating a single dad. So, malaking change yun. Kasi, kikilalanin mo yung kids niya. You have to put up with the fact na his or her ex could still be in contact with them para sa kids. So, huwag kayong matakot. Huwag kayong ma-intimidate. Lakasan nyo lang ang loob nyo. Passion and pleasure, savor your life. Ayun nga. Whatever your choices right now, whether you're with a new guy, in a new industry, or abroad, just enjoy your life. Okay? Apart from learning what you need to learn sa mga cultures or mga industry trends sa career, do it for fun rin. Huwag niyo masyadong i-pressure ang sarili na inyo. Spare some time para spare some time para to have fun. Page of Cups. Wow, nice offer. May offer na maganda na darating sa inyo, and it will lead to stability. 4 of Pentacles. Excuse me. Apart from that, may offer, whether romantic, career, or financial, magiging stable ito. Maaring, yun nga yung nakilala nyong single dad or single mom is something new to you, or a relationship that is new to you. You will find that eventually, magiging pang long-term ang relationship ninyo. You'll find that you want someone mature. Yun nga yung single dad, yung single mom. Kasi they have already been through a lot. Kaya alam na nila kung paano mag-handle ng mga challenges sa relationship. Alam nila, or mas likely sila na magstay and to fix the relationship than to jump to another person kapag may problema. Sa career, ayun nga, yung bagong industry na mapupuntahan nyo shows promise. You could stay here for a long time at maaring you will meet connections that will be worthwhile or emotionally fulfilling. Maring magkaroon kayo ng junior or co-worker na magiging malapit sa inyo. Kasi ang person na ito is very clingy and very emotional and sensitive. Six of Swords. Some of you are regretting your choices. Gusto nyong bumalik, gusto nyong umuwi. O kaya, for example, you guys moved into a new place, a new house, and nagsisisi kayo kasi bago yung neighbors, wala masyadong bilihan ng gamit or pagkain. So, wag nyo nang overthink. Dapat mag-adjust na lang kayo or mag-adapt sa new environment ninyo. Because dwelling on regrets will do nothing, lalo kung andun na kayo. Ace of Swords. Queen of Wands. So, may susupport naman sa inyo eh. This could either be a friend, a lover, a partner, or a colleague na maganda, sexy, masaya kausap, maingay, very headstrong and ambitious. This person will help you with the ropes. Like, kunwari nga sa new industry or career, you can turn to this person because she is talented and she can help you learn what you need to learn doon na software or skills. Okay, this could be a neighbor. Kung bago lang kayo sa neighborhood ninyo, you could turn to this person for help para turuan kayo kung paano mag-commute or kung saan ang mga magandang bilihan. Those na entering new business ventures, you could turn to this person na nasa same industry nyo. Pwede nyo siya lapitan for advice. So, huwag kayong mag-alala kung naninibago kayo sa new place or new territory nyo. Kasi success is in your hands naman. You just need to plan, do your research, and eventually magagamay nyo yung mga kailangan nyong matutunan. And again, additionally, create networks or kilalanin nyo yung mga taong nakapaligid sa inyo dun sa unknown territory ninyo para may support system kayo. So that's it, group number 3. I hope this reading resonated with you. Again, take what resonates only. And if you'd like to book a reading, pwede kayong mag-head down sa Facebook page or sa website stellarwitchery.com. Bye.